Hey everyone, welcome to AutoGPT Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the latest announcement from OpenAI, the ChatGPT iOS app. OpenAI recently announced that the ChatGPT iOS app is now available for download from the App Store. The app is free to use and syncs your history across devices. It also integrates Whisper, OpenAI's open-source speech recognition system, enabling voice input. ChatGPT Plus subscribers get exclusive access to GPT-4's capabilities, early access to features and faster response times, all on iOS. ChatGPT is a large language model, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot trained to be informative and comprehensive. It is trained on a massive amount of text data and can communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, ChatGPT can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the ChatGPT iOS app. We'll talk about its features, how to use it, and some of the things you can do with it. So if you're interested in learning more about ChatGPT, or if you're just looking for a new way to interact with your iPhone or iPad, then stick around. Here are some of the features of the ChatGPT app for iOS. Simple and intuitive interface. Real-time responses. Clear and easy-to-read format. Available for all iOS devices. If you are interested in using ChatGPT, I encourage you to download the ChatGPT app for iOS, link available in the description. The app is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. We're starting our rollout in the US and will expand to additional countries in the coming weeks. We're eager to see how you use the app. As we gather user feedback, we're committed to continuous feature and safety improvements for ChatGPT. With the ChatGPT app for iOS, we're taking another step towards our mission by transforming state-of-the-art research into useful tools that empower people, while continuously making them more accessible. P.S. Android users, you're next. ChatGPT will be coming to your devices soon. I will share a demo video created by McKay Wrigley. ChatGPT iOS app link available in the description. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.